Dear students, hello everyone. So I hope you are understanding all the subjects properly, because all the teachers are trying to teach you very clearly and they are trying to make clear all the topics. So I am also doing same. We were continuing the chapter An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So we have read about Kalpana Chawla, all these things we have done. Now we will start paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 3 we have completed yesterday. I have told you that in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Now paragraph number 4. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. So when somebody asked her some question that what it was like being a woman in her field, means in this field, how she feels. So she said, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies. Pursuing means to continue. So when she was continuing the studies, while pursuing my studies or doing anything else, that I was a woman. She never thought that I am a girl of a small city or I am a woman, so I don't have to do this or I don't have to do that. But she was doing whatever she likes. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And she said, whatever the dreams I had, I followed my dreams only and focused on my studies and so that I can fulfill my dreams. So see, I have written so many meanings. Fortunately, pursuing, and all the 2 years and how many rupees for 1 year for the training, encouraged meaning, so many things I have written and underlined all the things whatever I am thinking that these are important points, so you can also do the same. So pursuing means to continue. Pursuing my studies means continuing the studies. Fortunately means luckily. Encourage means to buck up. So she said, I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. So she only followed her dreams, whatever she dreamt in life, whatever she want to do, she followed that and always focused on the point, on the aim which she want to become. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So she said, whosoever people were around me, like parents or some relatives or whatever, they luckily, fortunately always encouraged her. And they always encouraged her, means buck up and give strength, and encouraging her always that if you want to do that thing, then you have to do and you carry on. So this was the 4th paragraph. So she said, I never ever thought whatever she had done till now, she was saying, I never ever thought like a girl I can do all these things in my life. But she was focused on her aim, so she had done everything what she had dreamt. Now paragraph number 5. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. So you can underline this, 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. So her first space mission was in the Space Shuttle Columbia. The name of this space shuttle was Columbia, and it was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. Means they have taken round of the earth 252 times. How many times? 252 times. The Space Shuttle Columbia took round around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers, and they travels 10.45 million kilometers. The crew means the group of astronauts. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut also. So in her group, Japanese was there, Japanese astronaut was also there, and a Ukrainian astronaut was also there. Like Indian, the person living in India is known as Indian, the person living in America is known as American, the person living in Japan is known as Japanese, and the person living in Ukraine is known as Ukrainian person. So there was a Japanese also and one Ukrainian astronaut also in her crew. The crew performed experiments, and they don't have to only sit in the space shuttle, they have to do some experiments. So they have to do some tasks, some experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. So first experiment they have done, pollinating plants, means they want to see that there is growth of plants or not, to see that food can grow in space or not, and test for making stronger metals. And also they started making some stronger metals there, and faster computer chips also. So there were so many experiments they have to do there. So they have done all these experiments, and all these experiments also cost some price, and all for a price tag of about $56 million. $56 million. So all these things, they have to perform experiments, they have to go there. So this cost was $56 million. I have taken out from Google how many rupees in Indian currency. So it was 4 trillion 17 billion 67 crores and 34,800 rupees. So as you can see how much, so many rupees they have to spend for these experiments and for all these things. So now, dear students, your 4 and 5 paragraphs are complete. Underline all the